Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail account tips and tricks on PC. And in this video, I will show you how to export safe password on your Gmail account without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the top right there. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Then go ahead and click on password manager. Then go ahead and click on this setting icon. The next thing you want to do is you can see right here, export password. Download a copy of your password to use with another service. Passkey will not be exported. Go ahead and click on export right here. Export password. Your password will be visible to anyone who can access the file, including apps. Go ahead and click on export. And then you'll be asked to log in to your Google account for identity verification. Once you log in, your password will be successfully exported as SV5 format. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.